Black coffee with lemon benefits for weight loss. We all like a cup of coffee. It not only tastes great, but it also helps us wake up in the morning and stay energized throughout the day. Did you know that a cup of coffee can actually help you lose weight? Add lemon juice instead of milk or sugar to a cup of black coffee, and watch the pounds melt away. Here's why coffee and lemon are an excellent weight loss combination. Coffee is a stimulant that helps you get more out of your gym session. It also contains physiologically active substances such as caffeine, theobromine, theophylline, and chlorogenic acids, which have all been shown to aid weight reduction. Coffee helps you lose weight by breaking down fat cells that are used as energy by the body. It is also thought to assist digestion by easing constipation and reducing sugar absorption. Caffeine in coffee helps you burn more calories by stimulating thermogenesis, a process in which your body creates heat and energy from the food you eat. Lemon juice boosts metabolism, which is why it's recommended that you drink lemon water first thing in the morning. Lemon juice's acidic nature allows it to remove toxins and undesirable items from the body. Furthermore, it stimulates bile synthesis in the liver, which aids digestion and cleansing. While keeping your calorie intake modest, lemon juice keeps you hydrated and promotes satiety. Lemon water has only 6 calories per glass, making it an ideal low-calorie beverage. Lemon juice has been shown to increase metabolism. A combination of black coffee and lemon juice can help you burn belly fat and lose weight more successfully. Mix together 1 tablespoon lemon juice with your hot coffee to kickstart your weight loss. Drinking it half an hour before you start exercising is the greatest approach to assure excellent results. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get more videos like this one.